So, hello brothers and sisters. So, I would like to make a video about what will be the future of my contents, as Chris Brian, as myself, as my personal brand. Because as you know, people make a lot of content specific to their niche, And for me, my niche is basically just myself, my happiness, my excitement. So, if you've seen some of my videos, the previews before on Facebook and other social media like TikTok, uh, it's much more about me vibing in the street, vibing with myself, enjoying myself, playing music, making jokes that just pops out suddenly from my mouth, from my mind. And I think yeah, it's just basically my niche is just about the excitement of myself, and I try to portray it in the videos, in my contents, while I'm traveling to other places or just enjoying myself in nature, and I think that is really what is the most important about about everything about our life, is that we can create something just from the pure fun about it, not just giving value because this is what makes other also give value, but I understand that, but it's about giving myself value, enjoying myself, and that is already the form of exchange that I can give to the viewers watching out there. So yeah, I think I'm really excited every day, manifesting slowly my dream life, and I hope as well that you as well manifest your dream life. And I think that how I can contribute to the society is me myself enjoying, and you watching. Sometimes if you resonate to the frequency of what I'm emitting, you would enjoy it as well, and you from that just short brief of happiness that you also enjoyed watching, you would have a momentum of happiness within your life, and you also create the desires of what your true heart's desire is, and that is the fire within. So that would be my short video sharing to you how I feel, what I will be doing in the future, and as always, brothers and sisters, bless and love.